In this video, we will learn how to evaluate AI output and spot bias. So why does evaluating AI output matter? Because AI tools are becoming part of everyday life, from writing emails and resumes to helping with healthcare information, education, and hiring advice. If AI gives you incorrect or misleading information, it can affect important decisions, like choosing a job, making a purchase, or understanding your health. In areas like hiring, education, healthcare, and law enforcement, biased AI outputs can reinforce stereotypes or unfair treatment. Evaluating AI helps you catch mistakes, avoid bias, and use AI more responsibly and effectively. AI performance is measured in three ways: accuracy, precision, and recall. Accuracy measures how often an AI makes the correct decision overall. For example, in a spam filter, it looks at how many emails were correctly labeled as either spam or not spam out of all emails. Precision measures how often an AI is correct when it predicts that something belongs in a specific category, like labeling an email as spam. In simple terms, it shows how much you can trust the AI when it makes a specific decision. Recall is whether a model can find all objects of the target class. For example, can it find all of the spam emails? There's usually a trade-off. If an AI is very strict, it may avoid false alarms, but miss important things. If it's more relaxed, it may catch more, but make more mistakes. For example, a medical tool might prioritize recall to avoid missing illnesses, while an email app might prioritize precision so real messages aren't flagged as spam. Understanding these trade-offs helps you decide when to trust AI and when to double-check its output. Now let's talk about bias. AI bias happens when an AI system consistently favors or disadvantages certain groups. This usually comes from biased training data or flawed assumptions. As a user, you can spot bias by watching for patterns, like when an AI gives different quality answers depending on names, genders, accents, or backgrounds. To reduce bias, developers use diverse data and fairness techniques, but users also play a role by questioning outputs, reporting issues, and not blindly accepting AI responses. Recognizing bias helps you use AI more critically and responsibly. Facial recognition systems have shown higher error rates for people of color, which has led to wrongful identifications and serious consequences. Hiring tools have sometimes favored resumes from certain demographics, unintentionally reinforcing inequality in the workplace. In healthcare, some algorithms have underestimated the needs of minority patients, leading to unequal treatment recommendations. That's why human oversight matters. AI can process huge amounts of information, but it doesn't understand context, ethics, or lived experience the way humans do. It's important not to treat AI as neutral or flawless. People can catch errors, bias, and harmful recommendations that AI might miss. Reviewing AI outputs and providing feedback helps make systems safer and more reliable. Think of AI as a tool, not a decision maker. The final judgment should always involve a human. To learn more about Lenovo AI PCs, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.